Hey guys, Nick with Forresters. Today we're going to do a quick demonstration on how to change the knives on your disc spine. This particular model is an H7230. It's a 10-foot cut machine. So we're just going to do a quick video on how to change or rotate your knives. So you really only need two tools to do this. You need a 3/4 inch socket with an impact gun and a pry bar. First step is to remove the bolt retaining your knife. Pull the bolt out. Pop your knife and the nut out. It's important to notice this nut has two flat sides. When you put it in, your flat side should kind of follow the rotation and stick straight out. So you stick it up in there, the flat sides will hold it in place and keep it from spinning. This is a brand new knife here. These are reversible, so you can use this side whenever it wears out. You can flip the knife 180 degrees and use the other side. So you have two cutting sides per knife. There's an arrow on here marking the rotation. On this unit it has crop lifter, so it's easy to tell which way it rotates. The arrow should kind of follow the same direction as the lift rotation. This hub spins this way, so you want your knife to go this way as the arrow indicates. Put your knife back on, stick the nut through, stick it in. What I do is get the bolt started on the nut, and then you can kind of use the bolt to twist the nut. Make sure it's locked in place. This is where the pry bar comes in. Use a pry bar to hold the nut up. You do not want to use your finger because if it breaks loose, it's not going to feel good. Put your impact gun back on. You don't have to make them real tight. A quick brush with the impact gun will be more than enough to tighten them up. If you do put new bolts on, they already have Loctite built in. Otherwise, you can use some blue thread locker to help retain the bolt on the nut. So as you can see, it's a pretty simple process with a pry bar and an impact gun. In about 10 minutes of your time, you can completely change or rotate the knives on your disc spine. It's a good way to maintain a good quality of cut. If you guys have any questions about disc spines or any of the farm equipment needs, give us a call 717-263-0705 or check us out online at forresterfarmbq.com.